The Association of Meiteis in the Americas, AMA, also held peace demonstration at Washington, D.C. yesterday. The peace demonstration coincides with Narendra Modi's landmark first state visit to the USA to strengthen the US-India tie. The demonstration drew an extraordinary number of Meitei participants, including more than 70 individuals, including 10 children who traveled from various foreign near cities across the United States. The inclement weather with rain showers throughout the day did not dampen the spirits of those who stood united for peace. Clad in ponchos and holding umbrellas, the level of commitment and dedication displayed by the attendees was truly remarkable. Furthermore, it was heartening to witness the overwhelming support from the local community in Washington, D.C., Maryland, Virginia. Additionally, from families and individuals from the nearby states, New York and New Jersey area made special efforts to travel a day before the event. Placards with slogans like Ho Ima Manipur, Nangumba Leite Ima, Proud Meitei, Proud Indian, Peace is Possible, strongly condemned the violence were used. Dr. Rashri Kaisham, the event's spokesperson, Dr. Kaisham said she would like to take the opportunity to let the world know what is happening in Manipur, India. We would like to request everyone in this country, to the world, to all the media houses to extend support to bring peace and focus on rebuilding, she added.
Today, we are gathered here from all over across America. We are strong, 70+ people gathered here today, requesting to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji to accelerate peace. When we request for peace, it's for everyone in Manipur, India.